Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how top YouTubers earn, and we'll be covering a lot of topics like affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, brands, sponsorships, and a ton of other things. It's going to be a great opportunity for you guys to learn about influencer marketing and how few people are able to take up YouTube as a full-time career. For me, it's just a hobby, but for people who are pretty popular, they take it up as their full-time career with a lot of streams of passive income, and we're going to talk about that. And at the end of the video, we'll be using all these strategies that you have learned to do a guesstimate about how much BB Keyvines earns, about how much Ashish Chanchlani earns, or mostly Sane earns, and I'll just show you how much I earn also anyway. Alright, so let's talk about Google AdSense. Okay? So Google AdSense is the most simple way of earning on YouTube. It's pretty straightforward. So whenever you watch my videos, you might have seen some ads pop up right in front of it, and whenever someone clicks on it or just views it, I get paid a certain amount. It's called CPM. CPM stands for cost per mile, and cost per mile is the amount that YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views, for every 1,000 impressions of your ad. तो if किसी ने मेरा अगर ad 1,000 बार देखा तो मुझे X amount मिलेगा. So this CPM varies for industries. Okay, तो मैं I make videos about freelancing and student college life. So my CPM is around $1. And if it's someone who's making videos about real estate, if it's someone making videos about business, then their CPM might be higher because उनका जो video देखेंगे, that audience has a higher purchasing power, right? तो जो भी ads display होता है, the ultimate purpose of that ad is to make you buy, ठीक है? तो जो business के videos देखते हैं, वो mostly वो type के लोग रहते हैं who can buy, who are slightly rich as compared to people who view college reviews, because it's mostly students who don't earn anything, and that's why मेरा जो CPM है, it's lower compared to someone who's doing business videos. If someone is doing funny videos, then their CPM might be lower than me, क्योंकि उनके videos मतलब हर type के लोग देखते हैं, and generally it's people who just wanna watch funny videos. कोई funny video कोई BB Keyvines देखते वक्त कुछ खरीदना नहीं चाहता है, right? तो their CPM might be very very less compared to mine. तो $1 से भी कम रहेगा उनका cost per mile. So I'll quickly show my dashboard so that you guys get a brief idea about how it works. So this is the amount that YouTube pays for every 1,000 impressions. This is the total number of impressions. So this is the amount that I've earned. Accurate number नहीं है, उसको update होने के लिए time लगता है. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys know about this, but there's a website called Social Blade, and it just gives you like an approximate of how many subscribers this person is getting, a particular channel is getting, and what's the monthly revenue, what's the yearly revenue, how many views the channel has got, and let's see if this matches up with my real YouTube analytics. Okay, so as far as views is concerned, I think view is pretty accurate. मुझे इतने ही views मिले थे last 30 days में, 486,000. That's fine. Alright, now let's take a look at the monthly earnings. For monthly earnings, it gives me an approximate of $121 to $1,900. So as I've told you before, CPM depends on the type of videos you're making. So if I'm making videos about business, then my CPM would be high. If I'm making videos about funny videos, then my CPM would be low. So सोशल ब्लेड को ये नहीं मालूम है कि मेरा क्या टाइप का वीडियो है and how much YouTube is allotting that CPM. इसके लिए it will give me a range which is $121 to $1,900, and in reality I've earned $223. So it's almost double of the minimum, right? Now let's talk about something important called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing बहुत पुराना सा है, right? तो affiliate marketing को मैं simple terms में बता देता हूँ क्या है. If I'm a phone seller, ठीक है, अब मैं तो हर इंसान के पास जाके रास्ते पे जाके phone तो बेच नहीं सकता if I want to sell this phone. So what I will do is I will hire few people and be like, hey, go and sell this phone, और हर सेल पे मैं तेरे को एक 10% का कमीशन दे दूंगा. That's affiliate marketing. I have an affiliate store called amazon.in/shop/CuriousHarish, wherein I've put in all my favorite books that I read and few laptops. So if you guys are interested, you can check it out. As far as Amazon affiliate is concerned, affiliate marketing बहुत overhyped है. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि hey, I can earn a lot through affiliate marketing. No, affiliate marketing is not a very sustainable source of revenue. मतलब side income के लिए it's fine, but it's not a sustainable source of income, right? क्योंकि मेरा Amazon का stats बताता हूँ. मेरे link के through people have bought products worth 60,000 rupees. तो Amazon को मैंने 60,000 rupees का रेवेन्यू दिलवाया है थ्रू बाय प्रमोटिंग द लिंक्स. पर मुझे Amazon has paid 3,000 rupees. So that's the total amount that Amazon has paid me because I promoted the products. Alright, now this was Google AdSense. Now let's talk about something more important. You might have heard about Casper. He's a British YouTuber, and he recently started a company called, a few years back, he started a company called Influencer. These guys used to do influencer marketing, and even from India, Beer Biceps, Ranveer Alabadia, they run a company called Monk Entertainment. Virat Sheth and Ranveer run it. तो Monk Entertainment does something called influencer marketing. तो बहुत सारे brands रहते हैं, बहुत सारे companies रहते हैं who want to promote their product, right? And बहुत सारे ways है advertising के. They can do newspaper advertisements, they can do Facebook या Google advertisements, they can do banner advertisements. बहुत सारे चीज़ है. पर you know what? Most people like सबसे ज़्यादा engagement social media पे ही होता है. People are on Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn all the while. Or if you want to sell something, newspaper का ad कौन पढ़ता है? It's good for branding, पर पढ़ के कोई खरीदने नहीं वाला है. But if you see an ad on Instagram which says buy a phone charger or buy a phone cover or buy a phone, then the chances of you buying it right from your phone is way higher. But the issue with Google Ads is that it's very expensive. ठीक है, तो a few days back when we were talking with a few executives from Google, they said you need to have a budget of at least 30,000 per month if you want effective results from the ads. So that's the demand, that's the minimum amount that you'll have to spend. And when it comes to these big brands, they spend millions of dollars every single month on Google Ads. But the issue is that they don't give a good conversion. बहुत सारे लोग Google Ads देख के ही छोड़ देते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि मैं मतलब आप कभी Google में कुछ टाइप करके देखो, पहले 2-3 रिजल्ट्स एड्स रहते हैं, पर वी जस्ट स्किप थ्रू इट. हम एड्स पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देते नहीं है. YouTube पे भी 99% ऑफ द एड्स गेट स्किप्ड, कोई एड देखता नहीं है. तो व्हाट्स द सोल्यूशन? इट्स ऑल अबाउट द ओनली चॉइस लेफ्ट इज इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग. I have a connection with you guys. You guys know me, I know most of you guys. So we have an intimate connection. And if I try to sell you something, if I be like, hey, I bought this new MacBook Air, it's amazing, it helps me stay productive, मैं सारे videos इस पे edit करता हूँ, and hope Apple sponsors this video. It's super fast and it's sleek and it's stylish. If I promote it in the video itself, then the chances of you guys buying it is way higher because you guys know me and we have a nice good connection, we are like friends, and if I promote you something right here, then it's way more effective. So that's what Monk Entertainment and all these influencer marketing agencies do. जैसे Monk Entertainment has BBQ Wines as one of their partners, तो जब भी BBQ Wines promotes something, वो जो deal रहता है, it's handled by Monk Entertainment. तो for example, Bose headphones का अगर एक deal है, तो Monk Entertainment will go to Bose and be like, hey, we have BBQ Wines, he gets 20 million views every single month, you would have great sales, or you pay us 50 lakhs, we'll take 20 lakhs out of it and give 30 lakhs to BB. So वो एक middle का cut ले लेंगे and they'll give 30 lakhs to BBQ Wines, and BBQ Wines is happy because he's getting more money than through YouTube AdSense, and Monk Entertainment is happy because उनका खुद का channel नहीं है, they can just do it from other people, or the company Bose is happy because they're getting more sales because BBQ Wines is way better at conveying his message and promoting their product than simple Google ads or newspaper ads or hoardings, stuff like that. So it's a win-win-win situation. Everyone's happy, and that's how influencer marketing works. I get I get hundreds of emails saying, hey, would you do influencer marketing with us? I have this product, but I rarely collaborate. I've done few with Red Wolf, like they sent me t-shirts. This is called in-kind sponsorship. So इसमें उन्होंने they did not pay me. They instead send me t-shirts. So I got few Avengers t-shirts. I used to wear them in my videos and say, hey, I got this from Red Wolf. So that's something that happens. A lot of in-kind sponsorship happens in the world of tech space, क्योंकि ये जो भी tech reviews करते हैं जैसे टेक्निकल गुरुजी, उनको बहुत सारे companies free में चीजें बेचते रहते हैं. तो whenever someone likes it, they can just promote it in the video. तो उसमें पैसा पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, पर फ्री में चीजें देते रहते हैं. तो Samsung, Apple, these companies just keep sending stuff to all these tech YouTubers like Marcus Brownlee, and उनको अगर पसंद आया तो वो वीडियो बना देंगे उसके ऊपर, और वीडियो के बाद सेल्स बढ़ जाएंगे. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट वे, क्योंकि सोच के देखो, राइट, एन एप्पल आईफोन कॉस्ट $1,000. इफ दे सेंड इट टू मार्कस एंड इफ ही लाइक्स इट एंड इफ ही प्रमोट्स इट, उससे जो बिजनेस होगा, अगर उन्होंने इवन इफ दे सेल लाइक 100 आईफोन्स, तो 100 into $1,000 उतना उनको एक रिटर्न मिल जाएगा एप्पल को. सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग डील, एंड इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग इज द नेक्स्ट वेव of the digital marketing space. Why do I make these videos? A, it's to educate you guys and to make you aware of things that are happening, few skills, few things that I know of, and B, it helps me build a great audience. I've been able to meet thousands of people from India. I've been able to meet a lot of people from the US, Italy, France, New Zealand, Australia. So it just helps me build a really good clout for myself, and that's the only reason I make these videos. Alright, by the way, let's quickly discuss BBQ Vines. He earned 5,20,000 last month through AdSense. This was through his video T2K Talks or something, which received 14 million views. He donated this entire money to charity, which is a very, very great gesture of his. How do I know this? He had put up a community post stating this, so it's verified information. And now let's talk about brand deals. I'm not sure about how much he charges, but a guesstimate is around 10 to 20 lakhs for each brand deal, and that's pretty crazy. PewDiePie. So someone called PewDiePie's manager a long time back and made a video about how much do they charge. PewDiePie's promotions start from $50,000. So it starts from $50,000 and it ranges all the way till $500,000 or $600,000. So that's how much he earns through brand deals. By the way, a few days back, to promote one of our products, I contacted an influencer who had like 200,000 subscribers, and I asked him how much would he charge for each promotion, and he said 5,000 rupees for like a 5-second, 10-second promotion before the video. So yeah, 5,000 rupees for a person with 200,000 subscribers. That's what he said. And that's pretty much it, guys. See you in the next one.